So I'm Divakar Kushwaha. So today's session we are going to start advanced Excel, right? So यहाँ पे आप लोग समझेंगे कि एडवांस एक्सेल हम क्यों यूज करते हैं, इसका क्या मेन पर्पस है, आई मीन व्हाई वी आर गोइंग टू यूज एडवांस एक्सेल, हाउ एडवांस एक्सेल प्लेइंग important role in IT, right? So advanced Excel is common in data analysis, business analysis, and data science as well, right? So there are certain tools which one you are going to cover up in data analysis. First, advanced Excel. Second, you're going to be Power BI. Third is going to be Tableau. So what is a tool basically, guys? Tool predefined जो पहले से बने बनाए होते हैं. We can only use it and perform certain action. Okay. So in this session we learn to identify the fundamental of the information. So this is the end of the chapter. Identify the report types and their format. Explore the information analysis and reporting tools. So this is the end of the chapter which are you going to learn. जो आप इसमें पढ़ने वाले हैं. Okay. So let's continue. So guys, in data analyst, what doing data analyst person always working the existing data, right? So here we're going to be understand the things with the case study. Like here we given certain the case study which one you're going to learn, and first you will understand those. So here you can see the case study. Recently, Alpha Supermart decided to expand its business in order to generate additional revenue. Obviously, guys, all company looking for the additional revenue, all company looking for the profit. Peter, the senior sales manager, need to be devised various strategy such as increase the warehouse capacity, launching new product categories, adding new suppliers, introducing promotional sales, and reducing the procurement delay. To plan and execute this strategy, Peter need to gather various sets of data stored in the accounts book. Okay. So obviously, once you buy the product, you're looking for the different new suppliers, right? Where can supply the product in the manageable price. And so different strategy means what? Obviously, आप कोई business empire बना रहे हैं, तो business empire not for the short time, it's a long time, right? So once you open the business going to be long time empire, not short time. So obviously you have to make a different strategy, different ideas, right? Which one going to help for your business. Every day you have to be just do the creative things so we can add on in your business aspects. How Peter will process the data, obtain significant information. So let's first understand what is data, information, and information analysis. So what do you mean by data? So data means simple, data means information, raw fact figure about particular object, particular person, that is called data. Okay. So data, as you can see, data are the fact figure or idea that may take the form of number, text, or picture, should be processed and transformed into understandable and organized format. What do you mean by organized format? Organized format आप किसे बोलते हैं? Organized format, suppose I'm creating a data, right? In that data, we have to organize the data in proper alphabetical order, like the name of employee, proper alphabetical order A to Z, right? Student data or any specific data means any person can look at the data set and they can understand easily. It's well organized, right? They can, it's easy to access, not complicated for the user. The process data is known as a information. At times, information in the one context may become data another context. Source of data. Organization collect business data from different sources. So basically means where data coming from, right? So collect data, sales ledger, bill receivable ledger, purchase ledger, and bill payable ledger. Obviously, if somebody sell the data or sells something product, so that data also coming bill receivable ledgers where you pay the bill. That data you have to also store purchase or bill payable ledger. Types of information analysis. Types of information analysis, as you can see here, like strategy, operational, and statistical. There are three types of. So once you want to do the information analysis, what to do basically? First, you have to collect the data from different source. I mean, suppose there is a student, one student, he or she want to buy a laptop. So what they does basically? First of all, they go to the different e-commerce portal like Flipkart, Alibaba.com, Amazon. There are various kinds of e-commerce portal, right? जहां से आप अपने लैपटॉप को सर्च करते हैं. सपोज सेम लैपटॉप आपको फ्लिपकार्ट पे 30,000 का मिल रहा है, सेम कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, सेम लैपटॉप यू आर गेटिंग ऑन द Amazon like 25,000. So obviously you get the profit of the 5,000, right? Then you have to examine. Refine means we just cross check in the different e-commerce portal, right? So that is for refine the data. Then finally examine the data. Examine means you make sure, right? And then finally evaluate. Evaluate means finally you just purchase the laptop, right? That is called evaluation. Means finally you are evaluated. So this is called information analysis and decision making process. Anywhere, even suppose you are starting in a business, so first you collect the information from different source, refine the data, means this is right or wrong for me. Then finally examine. Examine means you are make sure, yes, I want to do this, I want to purchase this, whatever you condition. Then finally you are evaluating. Next one, benefit of information analysis. It helps to identify market trends. If I'm doing information analysis, so, like which kinds of benefit I'm getting from there. So let's see. Is help to identify market trends. What do you mean by market trends? Market trends, what's going on, what's happening basically. That is called market trend, right? Suppose I already established the business, so daily basis I have to cross check what is a market trend, what's going on. I mean, I have to always up to date, right? That is called market trends, what's going on. Second is provide the solution to the business problem, right? If I'm doing the information analysis, so that will provide the solution for your business, means you are able to operate your business easily. Next one is enable the top level manager to track the organization performance. Obviously ईच ऑफ द कंपनी, हर एक कंपनी में मैनेजर होते हैं, मैनेजर का मेन वर्क क्या होता है, दे हैव टू ट्रैक द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन परफॉर्मेंस डेली बेसिस, मींस एवरीथिंग गोइंग परफेक्टली ऑल राइट, सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है, राइट? Organization performance they have to track time to time. Is there any loophole, any problem, so they have to fix before time, right? So that everything going to perfectly all right, right? So there is no problem, no mismatch. Next one, it helps the organization to perform day-to-day business operation. Obviously, if you are doing the information analysis, आप information analysis करते हो, so आपके day-to-day business operation में help करेगा, right? Next is enable the organization to create a business strategy and tactics. Obviously, once you have a business empire, you have to make different strategy. Strategy means different idea for your business. Means how many new product I can add on, how many new technology I can add on in my business so that I can make a total revenue, right? So different strategy and tactics you are going to make this. So this is a advantage of the information analysis. I hope you guys understood. So here I said there's some question answer. Which of the following types of information allow you to organization to create the business policy by taking long-term decision? Like as I told you guys previous, business is a long-term decision, not a short-term decision, right? So obviously we have to create a strategy for my business, right? So that one answer going to be what? Your strategy, because I'm talking long-term decision. So second one going to be your right answer. So preparing data for analysis. To prepare data for analysis, perform the following step. Collect data from various sources, refine the data, collection obtain the information, evaluate the information. Like just now I told you previous. So let's see what will Peter to obtain the required information. To obtain the significant information, Peter need to collect data from various sources. First, he will collect data from various sources. In addition, he need to refine the collect data to extract the information. Further, he need to evaluate the information. Extract means information. To extract करना information निकालना. Okay, this one going to take second case study, right? So in Excel, we are going to everything from a scratch label, basic label, right? And after basic label, once you complete, then gradually we are going to move on for the advanced level. Okay, guys. So today just only case study, one case study have seen, and you also see the report format, how to take a data from different source, right? And information analysis have you seen this session? In next session, we are going to see the practically how to use the Excel and how to work on the Excel and how we're going to work with the formulas. Okay, so thank you so much. That's it for this video.